Magali from Just Tutors, and in this video we are going to learn about fractions. So these are the subtopics for this lesson. First we will talk about 3/4, then quarters, half and 3/4 of collection, then using half, quarters and 3/4. That how we can use half, quarters and 3/4 in our daily life. Before starting the lesson, let's have some warm-up questions. You can pause the video to try them out, and once you are done, please resume the video to check your answers. Let's check the answers. We have 4 pieces of chocolates here, and a quarter of 4 will be 1 pieces. Half of 100 rupees will be rupees 50, and quarter of 100 rupees will be half of 50, that is 25 rupees. Pat your back for your good efforts and congratulations if you have got all correct. Let's begin with 3/4. If we have divided any object or any shape into 4 equal parts, so we have 3 parts over there which will be 3/4, which means 3 parts out of 4 will be taken together to make 3/4. So we have an example over here, 24 pounds, and 3/4 of 24 pounds will be 18 pounds. So if we divide 24 pounds in 4 equal parts, we will get 6 pounds in each one. And if we take 3 sixes together, we will get 18 pounds. So that's how we find 3/4 of any amount. Alright, so here you need to tick the figure which shows 3/4. We can have a look at these figures. Here we have 4 parts out of 3 are colored. Here we have in total 6 parts. Out of 6 we have 3 colored. Here we have 8 parts in which 3 are colored. So as we know that 3/4 is 3 out of 4, which means that this one is a correct answer. Now let's talk about quarters, half and 3/4 of collection. Here we have some apples. Please count the apples. So in total we have 8 apples over here, and if we find the half of the apples, that will be half of the A, which means we have 4 apples as a half of the apples. Now the quarter will be half of the half. So half was 4 apples, quarter will be 2 apples. And if we talk about 3/4 of the apples, so 3/4 means 3 times the quarter of an apple. If we have 2 as quarter of apple, 6 will be the 3/4 of the collection of apples. Now let's connect half, quarters and 3/4 to our daily life. We have an example. A school ground is 100 meters long. The half of the ground is used to play football. The quarter of the ground is used for basketball practice. Now what length of the ground is left untouched? So what we can do, we will first draw a bar like this, and then we will divide the bar into 4 equal parts. So one part will be the quarter, and as it says that half of the ground is used to play football, which means half is gone, and this one box will be 1 out of 4, which means a quarter. So it says that a quarter of the ground is used for basketball practice. Now the left part is only this one, which means 25 meters. As we have divided 100 into 4 parts, we have 25 meters untouched. So we can take help of bar model to divide any amount or any length into quarters, or to find 3/4, half or a quarter. Alright, so it's practice time. You can pause the video to try these questions, and once you are done, please resume this to check your answers. So here are the answers. If Harrison is half as old as his father, and if he is 32 years old, to find the age of his father, we need to times 32 by 2. That will be 64 years. And here we can divide these counters in 4 equal parts like this, and 3 parts taken together will be 3/4, which means 12. Pat your back for your good efforts and congratulations if you have got this correct. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justutors.com.